name is rolling the dice. Here we are using the 16-bit LCD. LCD is nothing but it's a liquid crystal display and Arduino Uno board and the touch capacitor. So depending upon the touching, the capacitance value has been varied in this touch sensor. So depending upon the touch value, the dice has been stopped. Here we are using Arduino Uno board. Through USB cable, we have connected this Arduino Uno board. This is a touch sensor. Touch sensor having 3 pins. One pin is VCC, one pin is ground and another pin is signal pin. VCC we have connected to 5 volts, ground we have connected to ground, as well signal pin we have connected to 7th pin for the output purpose. This is a 16-bit LCD. LCD is nothing but it's a liquid crystal display. It is having 4 pins. That is a SDL. SDL is nothing but it's a serial data line. Serial data line is used for serially transferring the data. SCL pin. SCL pin is nothing but it's a serial clock line. In order to synchronize the data, we have to use this SCL pin. Next, VCC pin, ground pin. We should connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground we have connected. Now coming to our project, I have touched this one like this. So the dice has been stopped at 3. Okay. So instead of manually, we are using experimentally. By using touch sensor, we did this one. Thank you.